Iziphumezi wena nkokheli siziphume esizilindele because we've started very well this season. Okuqalile ke isizini. Sigqibe first round namhlanje. We have not lost not a single game. We have not played a draw. We've won our games. Sarolelwa nje igame eyi-1 uyayibona. There was a misunderstanding nalapho. Otherwise the team is doing very well. I'm impressed with the performance of boys. Plans mhlekazi clear now with boys. When we started the season, from pre-season, we said we want to qualify for playoffs because we used to go to playoffs every season. For the past 2 seasons, we did not qualify, so we said to the boys they must stand up and fight. And you know, by los back to playoffs is to win all our remaining games. Currently, I'm king number 1. Number 2, simshia 5 points last time. Sidlala, so clear mhlekazi wami that we want to take the league. Ayikho enye into siyifunayo, we want to win the league. To our supporters, they must come in numbers and support the team. We want to assure them that we will try our level best to go back to the playoffs.
Whittlesea TV, the pride of Whittlesea.